Okay, so this is a unboxing video of the MARISSTELLA Ragusian Carrack. Opening the box, we can see two sheets of very detailed 1:1 scale drawing of the Carrack. And next up we have the instruction, and there was a flag of this Carrack that was also included here. And next up we have the balsa block. It's pretty light and easy to cut, and it's a great material for the deadwood. And then we have the walnut dolls. There are many dimensions of them. And then we have the accessories box. There are loads of things in here. First we can see a set of sails that was being put at the top of the box. And then we have the 3D printed cannons. They are being sealed inside a plastic film so that it's tight and they are well protected in here. And then we have two small sheets of photo etching. They are being produced in brass. Then we have all these threads, and this is the 3D printed parts. There was a figurehead and some other decoration parts that was being 3D printed and wrapped using bubble wraps. And then we have a smaller accessories box. There are 3 bags included in here. The first bag is the rigging pack. It includes all the blocks and some belaying pins as well. These blocks are being produced by CNC and they were pear wood. And then we have this firearm pack. This includes several brass cannons and some other accessories as well, such as the brass cannonballs. Yeah, and next up for the third bag is another pack of metal parts. You see there's a lantern and some eye pins and 2 anchors inside.
Okay, and so this is the box after applying the plastic film around. You can see there's the plastic film around it. It's transparent. And here's the outside transportation box. The kit can be easily put into here and it just fits. It fits really well. You can see. Barely no spaces, but a little bit of space. And yeah, it's a pretty solid box, so it'll be great.